In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find account setup settings on HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, we'll guide you through the process in just a few quick steps. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're on the HubSpot website. If you're not sure of the address, it's simply hubspot.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the page and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll enter your HubSpot credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to set one up. HubSpot can be a fantastic tool for managing business operations. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Now, this might look a little different depending on the products and tools you're using, but generally you're looking for the navigation menu. On this menu, you'll see an option that looks like a gear icon. That's the settings button. Click on it to move to your account settings area. Now, when you enter the settings menu, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the number of options available, but don't worry, HubSpot's laid out everything in an intuitive, user-friendly way. What you're looking for here is an option called Account Defaults. This is usually listed on the left-hand side of the screen within the menu, so scroll down until you see it. Once you find Account Defaults, you simply click on it. So why would you need to navigate here? Well, the account defaults section in HubSpot is crucial for setting up some of your basic account parameters. This includes making changes to your time zone, language settings, and any other default preferences that affect how you and your team interact with the HubSpot platform daily. It's essentially your go-to area for personalizing your HubSpot experience to better reflect the needs of your business. Before you wrap things up, take a moment to review the settings available to make sure everything aligns with your business requirements. Adjust them as necessary and remember to save any changes before you exit. This way the adjustments will stick the next time you or your colleagues log in. And that's it, you've successfully navigated to the account setup settings within HubSpot. Even if it seems a bit daunting at first, by following these steps you'll be able to manage your account preferences effectively. It's all about becoming comfortable with the platform and ensuring it works for you in the best way possible. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helped clarify the process for you. Be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot efficiently. Happy HubSpotting!